Hello everyone, welcome to Komal Vision's YouTube channel. Today's video is about finding the values of the polynomial in the exercise 2.2. Some textbooks has the exercise name as 4.2. Doesn't matter, you guys can follow with the chapter name. So second exercise I am solving here, finding the values of the polynomials for the given value of the variables. Okay, so come on, let us solve the problems for this exercise. So here is our first problem. 5x minus 4x square plus 3 polynomial has to be at x is equals to 0. So we need to find out the value of this polynomial at x is equals to 0. Here it is very simple, students. All you have to do is you have to simply insert this x value in the given polynomial. That means wherever you see x here, there you should insert the value of x as 0. So let us see what will happen. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3, which is equals to 5 zeros are 0 minus 4 into 0 square is 0 again plus 3. Some student used to write directly for this. You can write also as well 0 here. 0 minus 4 zeros is 0 again plus 3. So you people know 0 plus 3 is 3. So 3 is the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to 0. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. Let us go to second value at x is equals to 1. So it was not plus 1 at x is equals to, it was x is equals to minus 1. Again, in order to find out the value of this polynomial, we have to just, here I think it was 3. Let me just write here as 3. So the problem is, let me write down once again, 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to minus 1. All we should do is we have to simply insert the value of x as minus 1. So it will be 5 of minus 1 minus 4 of minus 1 whole square plus 3. And again it will be 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 1 whole square will be minus 1 into minus 1. I can write a square as a into a. In the similar manner, minus 1 whole square can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3. Again, the further step will be like this, minus 5, minus 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, because you know people, minus into minus is plus. Again it is plus 3, and at the end we will get minus 5 minus 4 as minus 9 plus 3, where minus 9 plus 3 is equals to minus 6. So yes, so the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to minus 1 is minus 6 here. Okay, and next for the value x is equals to 2, let us find out. And for the problem again, 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to 2 we should find out. Again I'll do inserting the value of x as 2, so that I'll get the expression like this. Now I should multiply 5 into 2, it will be 10, 5 2s are 10, minus 4 into 2 square is again 4 plus 3. Now 10 will be written as it is, 4 4s are here. So next here, 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. Now it is 10 minus 16. So we'll get minus 16 plus 3 here as, how much we'll get? Minus 13. Correct? Minus 13 and 10 here. 10 minus 13 as minus 3 I'll get, because we are subtracting from smaller number minus 13 here, so that is why we'll get minus 3. So finally the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to 2 is minus 3. I hope you understood this main question. Next you have second main question. Find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials given below here. If you guys can see, I have p of y as y square minus y plus 1 here. So for this polynomial I have to find these three given p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. If you guys observe, for the before main question we supposed to have x values given in the problem itself, but here they have given the question indirectly. They have given, instead of variable x as some value, they have given p of x as p of 0 and p of 1, p of 2, like that they have given. That means what it is, we have to take x value as 0, 1 and 2, and also we have to find the values of particular polynomials here. Okay, so let us see the solution for this. So the problem in second main is p of y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. At p of 0 we have to find out. That means I have to insert the value of y as 0 in throughout the expression. That means y square will be 0 square minus y will be 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0 is 0 again, plus 1 will be 1. So p of 0 is equals to 1 here. That's it. Next, coming to our next value here. The next value is p of 1. So here you can see y value as 1, which means, so all you have to do is you have to insert in the place of y as 1. So it will be 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So now 1 square will be 1, minus 1 plus 1 continued as it is, plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. I'll get 1. At p of 1, the value of polynomial is 1 itself. Next, for p of 2, what we'll get? For p of 2, you have to take the value of y as 2 here, which means y value should be 2 square. Okay, this is y value should be 2 square, and let me erase and write properly for you. So this is y square minus, so y value should be 2 square minus 2 plus 1. So 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1 continued as it is, which is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So the value of the polynomial for the value p of 2 is 3. That's it. Next, our next problem. So the next problem is p of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. At p of 1, p of 0, what will be the value of polynomial, and p of 1, what will be the value of polynomial, and p of 2, what will be the value of polynomial, we should find out. First I'll go for p of 0. What will I get as a polynomial value? Let me see. That means here the variable, if you guys can see, t, if for before problem it was x. Now all we have to do is, in order to find out the value of polynomial, I should insert t as 0, which means here you should be very careful. By looking at the problem itself, you should get some idea which method I should implement in order to get the solution. That means p of 0 is nothing but t you should implement as a 0. Okay, now 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 whole square, keep it in a bracket, and 0 cube, which is equals to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0 again, plus, sorry, minus 0 it is. So these zeros will be not counted. 2 is the value of polynomial p of t at p of 0. Okay, next p of 1 will be 2 plus 1 plus 2 1 square, 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube, which means 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 2 again, plus 1, sorry, it is minus, so minus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 minus 1, I'll continue as it is, 3 plus 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equals to 4. So the answer is 4, as the value we are getting for the polynomial p of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, next let us check for p of 2. Now p of 2 will be t is equals to 2, you should insert in the polynomial expression. So it will be 2 plus 2. Wherever t is available, I am just putting the value of 2 t as 2 here, and 2 into 2 square minus t cube as 2 cube, which is equals to 2 plus 2, here directly single digits are there, so I am just adding them up, plus 2 into 2 square is 4, so 2 4s the 8, minus 2 cube is, you should multiply 2 3 times, that means you will get 8 again, 8 get cancels, will get 4. So p of 2 is equals to here what? 4. That means the value of the polynomial at p is equals to p of 2 is 4. That's it. Isn't it simple to solve? Yes. Now we have third problem, p of x is equals to x cube. I need to find out value for p of 0 here. That means 0 will be the polynomial's value. Let us check. All I should do is I should insert the value of x as 0 here. 0 cube is again 0. So the value of polynomial is 0 at p of 0. And let me just here only check p of 1, which means I should insert the value of x as 1, which will be, so here p of x is equals to 0 we are getting. Let me check for p of 1, which is equals to 1 cube. All I did is I inserted the value of x as 1 here. 1 cube is 1 again, so that is why the value of polynomial here is 1. Is it okay? For p of 1 and p of 0 I found here. Let me check for p of 2. Now for p of 2, the x value will become 2 here. That means 2 should be multiplied 3 times, which is equals to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So the value of the polynomial at p of 2 is 8. Understood? Now last and final fourth question is, so last and final fourth question is p of x is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. You can directly simplify it as a square minus b square, or else you can just write it as x square minus 1 square, so that it will be easy for you. All I used here a square minus b square formula, which is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, you should be very much careful while using these formulas. Then since we knew the formula, we are making the simple form of the given question here. All we should do is we have to find out p of 0 here. That means x will be 0 minus 1 square means 1 here. So I'll write here 0 square is 0 and minus 1. The value of polynomial is minus 1 we are getting for p of 0. And for p of 0 we found. Now for p of 1, what will be our polynomial value? Let us see. As I told you, I can write it as x square minus 1 square, as we have applied a square minus b square formula. Then x is equals to what I should take? 1 here for p of 1. That will become 1 square minus 1 square. 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 is again 0. So the value of the polynomial at p of 1 is what? 0. That's it. Next for p of 2, let us find out. Next for p of 2, I should insert the value of x as 2 here again. It will become 2 square and 1 square. 2 square is 4 because 2 2 is a 4. Minus 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's it. So the value of polynomial at p of 2 is 3. So that's it. I hope you have learned these two mains. Remaining main questions will be discussed in next video. Thank you.